What's up, guys? That was close. Okay, hold on, give me a sec. You might be wondering what is in this box. It's an ammo can that I used to keep my ball collection in, but that has moved down in that bottom drawer. I may show you later. Okay, so I'm a gaming YouTuber, as y'all know. This is what's inside. Video games. I'm gonna show all my games. Okay, first I've got Predator Hunting Grounds, Battlefield 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Red Dead Redemption, Minecraft, Star Wars Battlefront, Madden 15, Call of Duty Infinity Warfare, Battlefield 1, GTA 5, and last but not least, Advanced Warfare. So that's all my games. May have a video coming through. So far, my favorite game out of these is probably GTA or Red Dead. So, yeah, videos coming soon.